Today, I would like to talk about Nobel Prize. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you all. How are you all? Hope you are all fine and fine. Thank you very much, honorable listener. Happy New Year. Alfred Nobel. Alfred Nobel is an inventor, entrepreneur, and businessman. He is found 180-95. He is very kindness and beginners person, as well as he is greatest person in the world. Alfred Nobel. Alfred Nobel first of all created Nobel Prize, but he didn't give any prize before die. Nobel Prize gave start 191. Do you know how many categories provide Nobel Prize? Nobel Prize provide 6 categories: physics, chemistry, literature, economic science, and medicine, and peace. Okay, let's go. Who is got Nobel Prize? They have gotten Nobel Prize. They contribute in the world and make a creating new creole. They have easily got Nobel Prize. The Nobel Prize is greatest award in the world. Every Nobel winner receive green, gold medal, a diploma, a monetary. As of 2023, every Nobel winner gets monetary approximately 1,35,000 USD dollar. The Nobel Prize are presented award ceremonies on 10 December. Every year, the Nobel Committee arranges 10th December Nobel ceremony. What is the Nobel Peace Prize for prize ceremony? They have got Nobel Prize only for contribute in the worldwide changing responsibility, changing possibility, for as arms control, war control, peace negotiations, democracy build-up, and economic new method build-up. And medicine department provide Nobel Prize for only medicine development. Do you know in our Asia has 3 greatest person? First Asia greatest person is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore has great first Nobel Prize 113 for Gitanjali. He is the very greatest writers. That's why Nobel Committee they provide for literatures Gitanjali. After that, we are easily know Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen is the greatest person in the whole world. He contribute our economic change, and that's why Nobel Committee Amartya Sen give economics Nobel Prize. After that, we come our Bangladesh. Our Bangladesh has one greatest person. This name is Dr. Yunus. Dr. Yunus is the greatest person in the whole world. He received 2006 for Peace Nobel Prize. But he, in this time, in the whole world, contribute war remove, democracy development, and our economic development. Thank you.